Hey everyone, this is Anka of back with another painting video. Here I'm working on a wood panel that I've coated with a paper mache paste that I made myself, and it's been primed, and I'm working with acrylics. This is part of my Pattern Cats series, in which whimsical cats with delightfully patterned fur balance things on their heads, because why not? This one I went with kind of a 1950s diner kitchen motif because, and you're gonna love this pun, this is Bippy's balanced breakfast. That's right, it's a donut and a cup of coffee or maybe it's tea. For me personally it would be tea because I quit drinking coffee about a year ago. I didn't quit caffeine though, so I just switched to tea. But it could be whatever your little heart desires. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with the background. The paint pens are really a lifesaver, especially on a small space like this. Having the fine lines of various Posca pens to make these geometric stars and diamonds and squares works out well. And then for the kitty itself, we went with a very colorful gingham, and so it's pink over kind of a minty turquoise with then bright orange squares in the check marks. So very, 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 very crazily patterned. Never gets old for me. I just there are a million combinations of color and pattern to choose from. Some of these cats are balancing vases. That's kind of what started the series, is balancing a vase of flowers on your head. And I liked that because it's such a fragile, delicate thing. And then the temptation to chew on the plants and just all these little subtleties of that I really love. But then of course, why not start balancing any old thing? And so yes, the unreal element of a donut being on its side and then somehow there's a full beverage balanced on top of that. Also this real element of, look how tiny the donut and the cup are compared to the cat. So is this cat gigantic, or are we dealing with teeny tiny dollhouse food and beverage here? I will leave that up to your imagination. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!